Let's have an in-depth look at how the rotation tool within Analysis Transform can help you look at your survey results in different ways. We can rotate the survey data over the design data to achieve a fit that differs from the default result. Let's set the axis on the flange we want to rotate around by right-clicking Flange 1. We then select Transform. We use the drop-down box to select our origin point, the point around which we will rotate. The X, Y, and Z boxes show you the coordinates at the position of the selected item. Once selected, the axis options appear below. We have selected Flange 1. We can rotate the survey results over the design using this box and these axis tools. We set the rotation amount in millimeters or degrees here. With the example survey on screen, we are going to try to rotate out the errors at Flange 2 by rotating around Flange 1. We put 0.2 degrees in the rotate box and click the blue, clockwise Z-axis arrow to turn the spool around Flange 1. All the errors now pointing northwards will reduce, with the largest impact being the measurement furthest away from Flange 1. We now use smaller increments to try and get the errors as low as possible. With this spool, we can also try and rotate out the 0.3 mm error in the upwards direction, though this will add more error to the circle fits along the run of the pipe.